Anong tawag dyan sa ano? Isa nag-ano ng kabayo?
Kutsero.
Ha?
Kutsero.
Kutsero?
How much do you want to pay?
$700 an hour.
Sold! I wish we could charge that.
Yeah, no kidding. No.
Yeah, it's all me. Yeah. Kidding.
Yeah.
So
No, you have somebody else.
all the horses have, I do
Yeah.
drive, but
Yeah.
all the horses
Yeah.
have a driver.
Guys, eto, nandito ulit tayo sa ano, sa Victoria. You want to take picture?
Well, how do I get to them? How do I send one to them?
Huh?
I'll do it this way.
You want? I will take picture.
No, just a minute.
Oh, papakita ako sa inyo guys.
Laki.
Ano?
Masipa tayo.
Maninipa yata, no? Oh. Ganda, no? Ang kabayo. Uy, pipicture yata. Tapos guys, ito yung kalesa niya. Yan. Actually, hindi ko alam kung magkano ang renta nito eh. Tapos yun, nakita niyo, nagpapakain dun. Yun, tapos ang kinaganda dito guys, alam niyo kung ano nagmamaneho nito? Babae guys, babae. Ngayon, ano yun? Ano ginagawa? Uy. Nice, no? Oh, ito pa. Yan, no?
And just wait to get up.
How much?
I don't know.
Huh?
Right there.
If she doesn't go.
Anong tawag dyan sa ano? Isa nag-ano ng kabayo?
Kutsero.
Ha?
Kutsero.
Kutsero? Oh. Hindi naman hinete, no?
Inete sa pangkarera.
Okay. Yung mga ganyan, kutsero.
Kutsero.
Ayun, no? Yung babae, oh. Babae nagmamaneho. Kutsero. Ayun, no? Diba?
Malapit tayo. Tara na. Tara. Gusto yata mga kabayo eh. Gaya yata gusto ng kabayo eh.
How much? O, tatanungin natin kung magkano. Teka. Tanong natin dito kay Dog. Yan. Yan, no? So, dito ka magpapaano? Magpapa-reserve. Kung magkano. Yan.
How much do you want to pay?
$700 an hour.
Sold! I wish we could charge that.
Yeah, no kidding.
Costs $3,000 a month just to feed them.
Yeah, I bet, eh?
Yeah.
They eat like a horse.
Like a big one too. So prices for the carriage not per person, tax included.
Sure.
Yeah, only thing not included would be gratuity for your driver.
Right, so about $300 an hour, basically.
Yeah, so.
Yeah, somewhere around
Our most popular tour is the hour. The 3 long tours get you through Beacon Hill Park.
Yeah.
So 180 acres of beautiful parkland,
Yeah,
peacocks, gardens. Yeah. all
Okay,
that.
great. Yeah, thank you.
Awesome.
I just had some friends that are.
Oh yeah, for sure.
inquiring.
We usually have a shift change at midday between like 3:30 and 4.
Oh, okay.
And so the morning horses go home, the evening horses
Oh,
come
I
out.
see.
And we're usually
How many
up to
horses do you have?
about 23.
Really?
23?
And do you control them all yourself? No.
Yeah, it's all me. Yeah. Kidding.
Yeah.
So
No, you have somebody else.
all the horses have, I do
Yeah.
drive, but
Yeah.
all the horses
Yeah.
have a driver.
Yeah.
And then they all need exercise, so they're
Yeah.
on like a shift rotation.
Oh,
so
yeah.
they work 2 to 5 shifts a week kind of thing.
I wouldn't say what horse. I don't know my horses. What is that?
They're all heavy horses, so
Yeah.
a draft breed.
Yeah.
And then under the draft umbrella, there's Clydesdales,
Yeah.
Percherons, Shires, Suffolk
Yeah.
Punch, Belgians,
Right.
Dogs. Yeah,
Those
a
are all
bunch.
like the workhorses.
Yeah,
They
you
used to
betcha.
work in the.
They can pull
Well,
about
my grandma used to talk about the Clydesdales.
yeah, they can pull about 6 times their weight.
from.
So.
Well, yeah, like my family is from Belfast.
Oh yeah.
Ano, how much? Magkano, di ba? Nasa 300 plus per hour. Isang oras lang yun. Ape, no? Mahal din pala.
Ah.
Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you.
380 per hour.
When about no. There's a shorter trip you can go for just
Short.
a few minutes,
15 minutes, 85.
Yeah, 30 minutes,
minutes.
165, 240, 440.
Premier Tour, 90 minutes. So, 1.5, no?
450.
80.
Okay.
Mahal din pala, mahal.